Hello friends. I am really happy to inform you that Educational Trade starts to make lessons for all those want to learn about binary options trading. Today I want to teach you the way to recognize a trend on a certain asset. Checking the trend is one of the most important thing that a trader must know, but mostly, a professional trader needs to know when and how a trend is changing. Well, we can start. On this asset, for example, we have a situation with a hourly ascending trend. You can choose if check the trend on the line chart or on the candlesticks chart. I prefer a chart with candlesticks. First of all, we need to clarify if you want to identify the hourly trend or the daily trend. It depends mostly by your trading style. If you are a trader that likes to operate only with turbo options, you surely need to know the hourly trend. Anyway, I suggest to identify also the daily trend that is able to confirm your hourly trend. On this asset, for example, the hourly trend is clearly ascending. You can recognize it connecting the higher lowers with a line. As you can see, the hourly trend on this asset is ascending. But if you zoom out your chart, you can easily identify a really strong descending daily trend. You need only to connect the higher with a line. I suggest to trade when the daily and the hourly trend are moving to the same direction. On this example instead, we have an hourly descending trend. If you zoom out the chart, you can see that the major trend is strongly ascending. You can find many examples of a descending micro trends, but they are only little phases. While I am recording this video, we are finding a horizontal trend that maybe will precede a trend inversion or a trend continuation. We will see how to recognize inversions and continuations during this lesson. Chapter 2: Horizontal Trend. You can find situation where a trend is not clear. This situation are usually called lateral or horizontal trend, and these situations indicate usually a low price volume and a low volatility. You can recognize a horizontal trend when the higher and the higher lowers touch the same price at least for 2 times or more times. Clearly, a lateral situation is mostly a temporary condition. As you can see, our 2 lines are forming a horizontal channel, like a corridor. You can also use the lower line as a support, and the higher line as a resistance. We will make a lesson also on supports and resistances. Chapter 3: Trend Inversion and Trend Continuation. A professional trader needs to know when the trend is changing, or if it goes for a continuation. Usually, a trend inversion or a trend continuation are preceded by a horizontal condition. Sometimes, you can find an inversion without a horizontal condition, and usually, you will find patterns called head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, double tops and double bottoms. The head and shoulders is a situation where during an ascending trend, we are encountering an inversion to a descending trend. This pattern is formed by a higher that has two equal tops on the sides. Also, if the sides tops are not exactly at the same price, the important thing is that the pattern takes the form that I am showing in this video. As you can see, candles on this chart are forming a head and two shoulders on the sides. In fact, the trend is going down because of reversion. Recognizing an inverse head and shoulders is easy. You need only to apply the same rule upside down, as I am showing to you. We was coming from a descending trend, and after the inverse head and shoulders, our trend went in the opposite direction. Double tops. Double bottoms. Double tops are a way to identify a reversion from an uptrend to a downtrend. As you can see, here we have two figures that touch the same price or resistance for 2 times. You will find situations where you'll have triple tops or more. You need only to connect the figures with a line and connect the lowers with another line. If the price, after a double tops pattern, breaks the lower line, usually it will go for a breakout. I suggest to wait the confirmation of the first 2 candles. For the double bottoms, you need to apply the same rule, but on a descending trend. Watch the video instructions. Trend continuation. Rectangle. As you can see, I drew a rectangle, like checking a horizontal trend. To retrace the continuation is very easy, because you'll see that the price, after a lateralization, will break the support, or the resistance, continuing his trend. Wait always for a confirmation by the first 2 or 3 candles, after the breaking. Follow the instructions in the video. We will see more patterns during our next lessons. I hope that you liked this tutorial. If you wish, you can join IQ Option through the link in the video description. Doing this, you will be able to download automatically our trading patterns and many interesting products. I hope to see you soon, and remind that this is not an investment advice. Bye bye.